The following episode of Dad vs. Daughter was made possible by a contribution from Simon. Hello and welcome to another special unboxing episode of Dad vs. Daughter. I'm Tim the Dad, and today I'm going to open up Ethnos from Simon. Now this is an area control game where we have 12 tribes, but in each game we're only going to use 6. So we've got a lot of variability that's going to happen. We've got giants and merfolk and elves, oh my. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we'll show you the back of the box here. And you can see our player board and all the cards. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so we have our rule book here. So nice and colorful illustrations. It's really a very easy game. The tribes of Ethnos. That's what I was talking about before with there are 12 tribes. So we have the centaurs, the elves, the dwarves, the giants, the halflings, the merfolk, the minotaurs, the orcs, the skeletons, the trolls, the wizards, and the wingfolk. And there's the back. So you can see the merfolk have their own board, so do the orcs. A lot of punch outs here. Whoops. And the giants. And then here is the player board. Now it's not a very big board, and the game is played over 3 ages, so 1, 2, 3, and there's going to be different points that you're going to score for each of the areas depending on which age you are in. And then it also has a legend over here based on the number of cards that you have for certain things. You're going to get points, different points. So like if you have only one of the tribes, then you're not going to get any points, but if you have 6 of a tribe, you're going to get 15. And then you can see the insert here. Looks like a pretty nice insert. You've got a spot for all the different colors. So you can see we have those in the baggies here. We have, these are the player colors. So you have yellow, purplish pink, kind of a sky baby blue. You have green for Dad. We have white, and we have black. So I will go ahead and open up this deck of cards. So one of the things that will trigger the end of the round is when we draw 3 dragons. So when that second dragon comes out, everybody's trying to make sure that they get all their pieces in place because once the 3rd dragon comes out, that's it. And the tribes have colors based on their regions. So here you can see there's some blue centaurs, there's some gray, green, orange, purple, and red. And that's going to be the same with all of the different tribes. So there's our dwarfs, there's our elves, or giants. At least they might be giants. A little joke there. We have our halflings. A lot of halflings. And there's our merfolk. And then I'll open up this other deck. And then we have our Minotaurs, our Orcs, and our Trolls. Trolls in the dungeon. I thought you should know. Some Wing Folk. And they all have different abilities. So, like I said, when you play these and you're only using 6 in a game, you really have a lot of variability. There's our Wizards. Your Wizard Harry. So all these Harry Potter references are just flying out. And then you have your Skeletons. And then you have also these divider cards here. So Orcs, Giants, Dwarves, Wingfolk, Skeleton, Halfling, Centaur, Elf, Minotaur, and Merfolk. So what you can do is you can shuffle these up, and you can see they got a different back on there. Shuffle them up and randomly pull 6, and those are the 6 you're going to use for that game. So that is Ethnos. This is a very popular game with Dad's Game Group, so this will actually be hitting the channel very soon, probably within the next couple of weeks. So keep an eye on our Facebook page, and we will catch you guys next time. If you would like to support us, you can visit patreon.com/dadvdaughter.
Like and follow us on Facebook to stay current on our show schedule, sneak peeks at future shows, and to interact with us.